The Description Builder tool is used to create standardized, accurate descriptions across your data cards. This is accomplished by providing the user with a list of preset descriptions, which removes the chances for typos and invalid descriptions. Here you will see a part that requires its description fields to be filled out. By utilizing the Description Builder button, I can open a menu of pre-designed descriptions and select the correct options, leaving an accurate and valid description. The options presented to your users are created through an Excel sheet that is loaded into the add-in through PDM administration. Once imported, the application's settings are used to predefine what variables will be filled out by the new descriptions. This tool is very useful with removing any confusion created by inaccurate descriptions and maintaining the accuracy of your data.